Teddy is a C2, a 964 C2, black on black, with our first 3.8 build. There's a lot of special bits inside the engine. We wanted to keep it OEM plus. We wanted the daily drivability, the reliability. We wanted to be a little bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing, so we wanted to keep everything true to the original, neat. We didn't want to step out too much and take away from the car. And all the additions that we made, we wanted to be subtle with the suspension changes, the ride height, the wheels, the brakes, the roll bars that we put in, the interior, the engine, of course, which is the drivetrain as a whole, right? And it's not just the engine, it's the box, the clutch that we put in it, the pieces coming together and creating this great car to drive. It's not just about outright power as much as it was about good drivability, good torque, good daily use.